The Boston Common, also known as the Common, is a public park in downtown Boston, Massachusetts. It is the oldest city park in the United States. Boston Common consists of 50 acres, 20 hectares of land bounded by Tremont Street, 139 Tremont Street, Park Street, Beacon Street, Charles Street, and Boylston Street. The Common is part of the Emerald Necklace of parks and parkways that extend from the Common south to Franklin Park in Jamaica Plain, Roxbury, and Dorchester. The Visitor Center for the City of Boston is located on the Tremont Street side of the park. The central burying ground is on the Boylston Street side of Boston Common and contains the graves of the artist Gilbert Stuart and the composer William Billings. Also buried there are Samuel Sprague and his son, Charles Sprague, one of America's earliest poets. Samuel Sprague was a participant in the Boston Tea Party and fought in the Revolutionary War. The Common was designated as a Boston landmark by the Boston Landmarks Commission in 1977. The Common is sometimes erroneously referred to as the Boston Commons. This stems from its use as a town commons starting in 1634. The modern park's name forgoes the S.